Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Vision Aarkus is fully leveled and awakened. That immediately unlocks his full signature abilities. Once done, set up synergies and allocate masteries that boost tech or mutant damage and survivability, because those multipliers change fight pacing. Next, choose the Only Way quest node and study its debuffs and hazards so you can plan your first items. Now prepare potion and revive slots. This ensures you can act aggressively from the opening combo without being forced to retreat. You begin combat by mixing light to heavy confirms, then capitalize on stagger windows with Vision Aarkus's S2 to apply long-lasting control effects. This maximizes damage while limiting retaliation. Make sure to control spacing, kite tech champions and bait blocks so you can land punishing intercepts and avoid heavy specials. Also monitor power levels closely. Time power drains and regeneration to interrupt dangerous enemy abilities, and use signature damage peaks when the opponent has minimal buffs for optimal burst. Finish the encounter by timing Vision Aarkus's signature S3 during a confirmed power spike to secure maximum passive and active damage. This converts mid-fight control into a clean kill. Make sure to use boosts and potions selectively when you have a clear combo window so resources aren't wasted. If you encounter repeated failures, troubleshoot by swapping mastery points or altering ally synergies. Then retest the node. Small changes to resistance or power gain often resolve unexpected mechanics and restore reliable execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.